Sa. How to pronounce sa. Sa is pronounced like sa in salsa. How to remember sa? Notice how this kind of looks like two hands stirring a bowl of salsa. This salsa is so chunky and thick you need two hands to stir it. 1, 2, and 3. Left to right, top to bottom with a little angle, and 3. And again here, the second and the third strokes could be connected depending on the font, but please try to avoid that. Shi is pronounced like she in sheep. Take note that this is the first exception kana that doesn't follow the patterns that show up everywhere else. Instead of being si, it's shi. How to remember shi? This kana looks like a giant shepherd's crook, used to herd sheep. Bah, get in that corral, sheep. Shi, only one stroke, very easy. Su. Su is pronounced like the word sue or sue in suit. See the swing doing a loop and throwing that poor kid off of it? Imagine him screaming, "I'm gonna sue somebody for this," as he flies off into the distance. Su, 2 strokes, left to right, and top to bottom with a little loop inside. Su. Se. Se is pronounced like se in cell. This kind of looks like a mouth with a big vampire fang in it. Someone's trying to sell you a set of vampire teeth because they're just so sexy. Oh, Dracula always trying to make a quick buck. So. It's pronounced like so in soda. See how this kind of looks like a mouth slurping soda. 1 stroke. It looks like many, but it's only 1. Let's practice reading. Saka. Saka. Saka means steep hill. And it's actually funny because my last name is Kamisaka. And there is a Chinese character, there is a kanji for it, and it's used in my last name. Kamisaka. Kamisaka. Saka. Shio. Shio means salt. Shio. Then we have su. Su by itself means vinegar. Then we have se. Se by itself means height. Soko. 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 So again, the u here makes a long so. It's not souko, it's soko. Soko, and it means a warehouse. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた。